Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to give you all an update on the expansion project that is going on. About 2 months ago, we started having conversations with our general contractor if there was a way to complete the first floor before Ramadan, and we can, InshaAllah, pray during the month of Ramadan in the first floor. So we had discussions with the contractor, we had discussions with the city. Both of them assured us that it is possible to complete the first floor of this new building, InshaAllah, before Ramadan. But for that, we needed about $2 million. We had about $500,000 in the bank already. And the contractor wanted all the money in the first week of September to be able to deliver the first floor for Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, we had 15 community members that stepped up and gave Qarz Hasana to the masjid of about $1.5 million. So takbir. Please make a special dua for these brothers who stepped forward. But now it's an obligation on all of us that we return this money to them in time. So the good news, Alhamdulillah, is that barring any significant roadblock, InshaAllah, we might be able to pray Ramadan in our new building. The first floor will be complete. And our fundraiser for the masjid, the annual fundraising banquet, is coming up on November 5th. And we read your help and generosity. Those 15 brothers did their part, Alhamdulillah. Now we need all other brothers to step up and help us reach $1.5 million in the fundraiser so we can fulfill our obligation, InshaAllah. So keep making dua for the success of this fundraiser, for the success of this expansion, and keep making dua that the brothers that step forward, InshaAllah, may Allah reward them many, many times.